Mexico!
We're loading up, heading to the track, trying to get some testing done tonight on the blue car and maybe the white truck, depending on how much of a headache the blue car is tonight. So we will see. I'm interested to see what goes on. Just moving my hands unnecessarily like other YouTubers, you know, just for no reason. So
are there any expectations for the night?
if it's 60 footing good and the weather's good, you know, we'll run it out the back. If not, you don't always have to hit the back door. But if it's there, you do it. So we'll see.
We won't see nothing until I get paid.
Yeah. You see these hands?
Watch out. Should I bring the spark plugs?
No,
in this Papa's bag?
don't take up space. We gotta go.
I want to get Angel excited and then disappointed whenever it's just spark plugs.
Okay. Like, yeah, we brought some sandwiches.
Guárdale ketchup. Puras pinches mamadas de puro dulce y... Mira. Gerber para los bebés y... No mames, no hay ni ketchup, güey.
Espérate, güey, acá mi noni. I got my new goggles. Just for the racetrack. Para correr con las ventanas abajo.
Savage, brother.
Ah, esos son para el copiloto, güey, para el topeo. Se había agarradillo los tubos así.
Para el Hasbula.
Para Hasbula.
No se lo presten al tocayo, porque el tocayo ahorita va a agarrar una 2X y ya.
Ya, valiendo verga.
Ya va a ver.
It's not even gonna fit the inside. It's too thin. Your pee-pee ain't even touching the wall.
Damn, again.
Again?
Boom, roasted.
2 times in a week. I'm not leaving my car outside.
It's just a fucking Toyota, bro. Nobody gives a
I don't give a fuck about the car. All my fucking rods are in there.
I got one rod for you.
I would say it sounds pretty good.
Of course you would, you fucking watch it. It's a little loud, but we'll make do. It's about weight right now, and we ain't losing here, so we gotta lose somewhere. Which one do you say?
I'm sorry, bro. I don't...
Shout out to Mexico Racing League, Circle D, and of course,
So Brian, is there a reason why you have nothing but Ford vehicles?
I just like the way that they run and the way that they drive. I mean, if you notice, my wife has a Ford Explorer ST, a Daily, a diesel. I just like the Ford stuff right now. You know, I was a big GM guy most of my life. And then, you know, Ford came up, better quality, better running vehicles, in my opinion. And we work on them, service them more. So, you know, might as well know everything about them. If I buy anything else, it'd probably be like a C6 ZR1 or a C8Z or something. I don't know.
C8?
Maybe, but there's no tuning there, which would be, they would have to be pretty reasonable, like pre-COVID numbers.
So you're the man behind the wheel.
I guess so.
We got our best non-CDL driver in house right here.
I've been watching this lock picking guy on TikTok.
You got it.
Would have been amazing. That would have been great content. Master lock would have been all in our email. Delete that video.
Este pinche vato tiene una nopal en la frente and he's wearing board
I know.
Let's go.
What's your outlook for tonight?
If we get good air, this trip will have been worth it.
Nice.
It's not often this truck struggles.
I can imagine it's pulling a lot of weight right now.
Yeah.
Why are you making my loud ass truck go through the forest?
Yeah, I mean, he's pretty cool.
How we looking?
Good. No damage so far that I can tell.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, fucking Brian paid me to lose.
Bro, I didn't know that car had a Maggie on it.
Yeah, it does.
Still got gap though.
It's not tuned, and Richard's being a hoe. He doesn't want to tune.
Oh, Richard, is that true?
What?
You don't want to tune the Maggie Trailblazer?
No.
So, moral of the story, if you want to be fast, don't get an LS2.
Pretty much.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit. We're gonna let the sun go down. Let whatever the fuck this is go by. Go check it out.
Oh man, check out that fresh shirt. Okay, I see you.
Get these in the link below. TTs. And if they got TT turbos, you're gonna have problems.
Like, I know you think you're an 8, but this will make you a 10. Like, you think I'm an 8? Yeah, but if you take this, you'll be a 10.
Wise words from Richard.
He saw the casting couch and said, I want to sit on that.
Exactly. It was too good of an opportunity to pass. Come on.
Okay, everybody.
Oh.
I'll just drive it. Fuck it. No, it's good. It's good.
Trayvion's strong.
Come touch it.
No, it's wet, bro.
Not the only thing that's wet.
No, that's definitely going in the video.
Not a lot of people can say they coast to a 7.
Yeah, I lifted.
Where'd you lift that?
I lifted like right after the 1,000 because the car was kind of moving around a little bit and I got out of it.
Huh? In the back.
around. I said, if Danny can go, I can go.
Yeah, I went 143. And I got out of it.
Yeah.
Because it started like wiggling like that. I was like, oh yeah, it's going
As soon
fast.
as it left, I grabbed the scramble. You probably didn't see it.
Yeah, there's probably something.
Right after the second flip.
Yeah. I felt it grab and I said, okay, fuck it. Let it ride.
Oh, went straight as fuck.
Yeah, it went straight as fuck. What do you think, Zach? First time
Man, that
seeing
was a
us?
hell of a pass. If I've ever seen one.
Oh, Zach's our fucking rabbit paw.
Well, he's lucky. Got a rabbit foot up his ass.
So how do you feel? You're now the fastest and quickest?
Bro, look at this fucking GoPro. It fucking rocked
I
back.
don't know if it's the fastest and quickest. I need to confirm. I think they went 7.266. So we're like right there. So we'll turn it up.
Let's pull the generator.
Oh, that's what I like to hear.
It is right now.
Of course.
Yeah. That's
Make sure you gas.
3 days later.
You got no fucking
oh
gas,
my
bro.
god.
Who didn't check? Who didn't check if it has gas?
Wow.
Is that the only extension cord y'all have?
Yes.
If you want to be a part of the Mexico Racing League, drink Corona, question mark?
No. He's drinking it because that's all there is right now.
Yeah.
Tim likes these, so hi Tim.
Hey.
Like,
Unpredictable.
Look, bro, we're clowns, but when it comes to this shit, we get work done.
I'm fueled by hate.
The people don't know whether to fucking take us seriously or fucking laugh with us.
I go. Yo vendí. We just sell Flowmasters. That's all I do.
Hey, bro, you got my good side?
Say what you want.
So for the people at home watching this who don't know what you drive, what do you drive?
I drive a Mustang, a 2016 Ford Mustang, built by
We did a
my boy.
nice little packaging setup. He was in one of our previous videos. We'll put it here. But we got some new stuff coming for it, so should be good. A little faster.
Yeah. So my boy Brian got me coming in fast. You know, for all the cat ladies, I'm sorry out there. You know, I've been eating all the cat food lately just to pay for my setup, but it's nice.
And my pussy rate went.
We're going to take that out.
Usually he'll message me, and then Richard will show up to the shop first. Richard's like, "Why is this car here?"
Bro, I just drop it off. Like,
I'm doing it right now.
I have a special spot. There's like a camera that like looks right down on it. I'll put it.
Like, I feel very safe.
Yeah.
Safest shop in Pasadena.
Yes, bro. I'm so scared. And then I put my club on though.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Like in 1996.
Yes, bro. I put the club
Like
on.
they're gonna break the. They gonna take the whole car, bro. They gonna tow the whole thing.
Tow that bitch off. That's what I thought about.
Like, wow, we found the bumper on the ground. You fucking ripped the bumper off. Did it?
So Brian, for some people at home watching who don't know much about drag racing, why is it so important to check the tire pressure?
We actually fucked up our first hit at Texas 2K because we didn't lower the tire pressure. We were fucking around on the street and had it at like 25, 28, whatever. And then we were just in a rush, blew the fucking tires off. So there's an optimal tire pressure that each vehicle has. On most cookie cutter combos, you know, you can get away with 18 to 20 PSI, maybe a little bit lower. But you always want it to be in the sweet spot. So we try to, whenever we had good luck, we try to store that data and replicate that at the next track event. So whatever temperature it is outside, whatever we have the two-step at, things like that, you know, hey, like it's a 80-degree weather day. This is the DA that we're working with. This worked last time, so that'll be the starting point that we start with. So just different things.
So Brian, can you tell us a little bit about what was going on?
So the car ran almost the same time. We didn't really turn it up too much, but we just tried the 60 better. It didn't really 60 better. And then the car, you know, I always turn it off at the end just so I could pack the chute and everything. But when I got off we had no power, so I guess I had to cycle through. I moved some shit around and it finally came back, but something to look into. So we may or may not run again tonight. We'll see. We came out, went a little bit faster, new personal best. This weather's still pretty shit, you know, 2200 DA. So we need a little bit better air, and I think we'll have what we want. I just don't want to push the car harder than it needs to be pushed at this moment, you know, to achieve the goal. If this is 2 months from now, the car's going to 7.1, 7.15. Same boost, same everything. So we might be done for the night. We'll see, you know, what the log does and go from there. These PJs, bro.
Yeah.
Walking around.
Wear you some loose basketball shorts.
Like, bro, put some boxers on. Like, wow, I feel like I got to know this guy.
I feel like our bond is getting so much stronger.
Te cobran 15. Yeah. Like, yo te lo voy a dejar en 10, güey, pero efectivo. And then he leaves and there's beer cans everywhere.
Yeah.
It's like, bro. Alright guys, so we came out, ran a new personal best. Didn't run exactly what we wanted, but we got the data we need. So promising times ahead. You know, we just need a little bit better weather and some adjustments on the car. I think we'll be where we need. So stay tuned and thanks for watching the video.
You boys like Mexico?